Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to CHUWI HiPad X. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now from this screen here, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to select Send on Nokia and Receive on CHUWI. I just need to rotate it real quick, and after that you need to click on all of those dots on Nokia smartphone and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, after clicking No Thanks and close this window, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon and choosing Allow, then pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!